Hello everyone. Let's study about more percent problem. This time we will talk about p% less than b. If it is a p% less than b, means they're comparing b, original b amount, but they want p% less than b. So original amount, we consider that as a 100% of b, which means it's a 1 itself b. That's the same as a b. But p% less than that b will be 100 minus p. So always express, if it is a p% less than b, then you subtract p from 100. So we will express as a 100 minus p% of b. As a fraction, since p is unknown value, we can express as a fraction is better than decimal. So 100 minus p over 100 times by b. And that's the same meaning as a decrease by p%. If it is expressed as a decrease by p%, also same as a 100 minus p over 100 times by b. So let's study about the example of the SAT. The number A is 110% greater than B. Then what did I ask? Number A is 110% greater. Then you have to add 100 plus 110% of B. That's what that means. So if it is 100 plus 110, that means 210% of B. Then I can express this one to the decimal, 1, 2 to the left. So A equal to 2.1 times of B. Now, the number B is a 90% less than 47. 90% less than means, I'm going to change the color. B is 100 minus 90% of 47 because it's a 90% less than. If it is a less than, 100 minus 90. If it is more than, 100 plus that amount percent, then B is 10% of 47. Then changing to the decimal, 1, 2 to the left, so 0.1 times by 47 equal to B. Then you get B value as a 4.7. Now we can use that B value, plug it into this. So in the way you can find A. A will be 2.1 times over 4.7. Then you will get that value as a 9.87. That's how you get. Okay. Now another example problem here. The regular price of shirt at a store is $11.70. Regular price of shirt is $11.70, and the sale price of a shirt is 80% less than regular price, and sale price is 30% greater than store cost. Then there's a regular price here. Regular price of the shirts was $11.70, and the sale price, they did a sale, so become a sale price here, is 80% less than regular price. So we can say 80% less than means 100 minus 80%, which is regular price is $11.70 is, it's better to do this way. So the sale price is 20% of regular price, which is $11.70. So I can do sale price. We don't know how much that is right now, but we can change that to the equation. 20%, 2 to the left, 0.2 times by $11.70. So that will give you $2.34. The sale price will be $2.34. Now the sale price is 30% greater than the store cost. This one is, there's a store cost here. That's what they want, store's cost. So now I can say sale price is again 30% greater. So 100 plus 30% of store cost. Since we don't know that, I will put that as X. So sale price $2.34 equal to 130% of X. Then if I rewrite as an equation, $2.34 equal to decimal 1.3x and divide by 1.3, divide by 1.3, then you will get X as a $1.80. $1.80 is the store cost. So try to understand if it is a more or greater than, you have to express as a adding 100 to that percent. And then if it is a less than, then you have to subtract that percent from the 100. So expressing those percent correctly and changing that to the equation, then you will find a known value from there. And then another problem here, the number A is 190% greater than the number B, and the number B is 80% less than 24. So on the number A is 190% greater than B. If I express this one, A equal to greater than, then you have to add 100 plus 190% of B. So A equal to 290% of B. I can rewrite the equation as a 2.9 times B, because this one I change it to the decimal. And then another color with B, they says B is 80% less than 24. B equal to 80% less than, then you have to subtract 80 from 100. So 100 minus 80% of 24. Then I can change this one to the equation as a 20% of 24, which means decimal 0.2 times 24. Then you get this as a 4.8. So B value, I got 4.8, but we need to find what is the value of A. To find A, you have to replace B in the place of B, which is A equal to 2.9 times of 4.8. Then you get the result of 13.92. That will be the solution.